Thank you everyone. To have some minute to introduce myself. My name is Nhâm Văn Sinh. I come from Vietnam.
Tôi có nghiên cứu tìm ra một bài thuốc chữa bỏng từ cây cối.
I have researched and developed a burn heal cream from herbal source.
Và đặt tên là SH91.
My name is SH91 because my research started from the year 91, and SH is the name of the clinic.
S là tên tôi, my name. H là my wife.
It's a family name. Sinh Hậu.
Các nghiên cứu được thực hiện ở Viện Bỏng Quốc gia và Học viện Quân y.
My research has been done in the Academy of Burn, National Academy of Burn and the hospital of Military Hospital 103.
Bài thuốc đã được nhà nước Việt Nam cho phép sản xuất từ năm 2005.
And I have an approval for production of this cream in 2005.
Chữa bỏng là thường là chữa các triệu chứng của bỏng này, thế và các cái diễn biến về hoạt chất, các sinh hóa và kháng khuẩn, chống nhiễm khuẩn.
When we have the burn treatment, we also like traditionally we pay attention on clinical symptoms like biochemical disorder and avoid infection.
Trong khi đó, những cái chất chuyển hóa và các hóa chất mới là cái nguyên nhân chính gây ra đau đớn, rồi gây ra sưng nề và gây ra hoại tử bỏng.
And what happened with the burn and subburn cell areas with the concentration of histamine, serotonin, prostaglandin, and leukotriene, aceclidine, etc. are the issue that we have to pay attention on the burn treatment.
Thuốc này có tác dụng giảm phù nề, sung huyết, giảm đau đớn và giảm hoại tử, cho nên nó khỏi rất nhanh và nó chống được cả nhiễm khuẩn.
And when we do the treatment with burn, serious burn, we pay attention to the pathological syndrome like pain, shock, vasoconstriction, congestive edema, and plasma eccrine locally and the whole body. And because we know that the serious burn victims suffer from a lot of pain and disabilities and even death.
Trong báo cáo này tôi xin báo cáo với các vị là cái báo cáo về điều trị lâm sàng.
So in my experience, I pay attention to the clinical treatment for the burns and serious burn patients. So I continue with it because there's some more slides here. So he has developed his product with the solution that can neutralize and deactivate the inflammatory substance in the body and all the metabolic product, and also like with the antibacterial like effects. So the burns heals very quickly, and the side effects of the burn is no side effects. So the SH91 cream is prepared from herbal plants, and it has effects with the Pseudomonas aeruginosa and some of the bacteria gram negative and gram positive. This is the doctorate dissertation he has done since 1999. And in his study, he has the very immediate effect of reducing the pain and congestive edema, reducing plasma eccrine, and cutting shock from the burn area.
So you're talking about really deep, so...
Yeah, very deep, very serious burn, yeah. So he has done a lot of research on many patients since he had this products introduced in his clinic, and so far about like 387 patients with burn at level 2, level 3, and the age from the 1 year old and to up to 70 years old. And the burn area is from 1% to 60% of the body. And just with his cream SH91 from the herbal source. So he, on the whole body, he monitored the reaction of the body after each changing bandages and applying the medicine. And on the local spot, it monitored the intensity, duration of pain, and congestive edema, plasma pain. And after each time changing the bandage, and throughout after the first changing of the bandage, the pain go away very quickly. So this is the first table, like he with the original body area and the quantity, number of the patient, and this is just showing the rate on the burn side. So this is the burn area from 1 to 5% of the body, like 34 patients, and then 6 to 10% of the body, there's 141 patients. From 11 to 20% of the body, there's 127 patients. And you know, like for 40 to 60% of the whole body, there's 8 patients. And those are all have the good results after the treatment. So the clinical progress on the burn injury treated by the SH91 products is to reduce the pain immediately after just the first time of applying the cream. The pain goes away from about like 20 minutes up to like 240 minutes, like that, 4 hours after applying the first cream. And when using it, like, you know, they see all the liquid or the substance from the body like stop, like leaking, yeah. And the pain or like inflammation starting at the burn area also like stop and heal quickly. But for the body, it's easier than just from the neck up to the head. And 100% the burn injury doesn't have the members purulent during the treatment at the site of burns by using this cream. And the shock effect on the patient also like diminished and recover. The patient recovered very quickly after like the first application of.
Can you explain quickly, because deep burns take a long?
We will have some video clips showing how like the patient is healed, and there's no reaction, like no side effects on the side burn. And for the patient with the level 2 burn, the time for healing from 3 to 5 days. And the level 3 is going to be like from up to 9 days, yeah, for healing.
Only 9 days?
So the burn area becomes, after the recovery processes, become back like pink soft and very few like scar. This is the lady hospitalized from 10, 15 and now it's 11, 5 to 11. This is another question. Yeah. Yep. It's always easier with adults, but then we have a lot of serious burn. In Vietnam, the condition of working or living is not that a lot of burn for gas, from yeah,
gas fire.
So,
yes, after just yeah.
did this evolve out of the war? Did his desire for this evolve out of the war?
But no, not during the war. After.
Did it motivate him?
Yes, that's right. Yeah. Because he's graduated from the military.
I felt that. That's
Yeah,
what I was.
medical school. So after the treatment for 387 per patient by the SH91 cream, the pain diminished gradually, and stopped after from 20 minutes to 4 hours after applying the cream. And after that, the patient do not have any pain. The whole treatment from the burn.
If you're replacing bandages, how often?
Yeah.
And reapplying how often?
Normally from 2 to 4 hours, just because it's dry, we have to replace from other.
Okay.
So we need to keep the skin,
Keep the skin moist.
moisture.
Yes, yes.
And all the effects that we cut the shock, we stop the pain. That's the best way to treat the burns. And there's no normally the wound heal after very few scar or even no scar at all. Yeah. So because of the active ingredient from the herbal formula, he creates the cream. So yeah, like the SH91 cream has effect stop the pain, stop the congestive edema. Plasma cream up from 20 minutes to 240 minutes. The first time applying the cream, and it has no membranous purulent on the burn injury during the treatment. Very short time of recovery. Level 2 burn patient recover from 3 to 5 days, and level 3 burns just from 8 to 9 days of treatment. Thank you. Yeah.
Wonderful.
There's one more video that we want to show. It's a bit longer, but this one has more. It has đây hai cái này xem rồi mình không.
Đồng ý. Đấy cứ lẽ anh cho xem cái.
This is another case.
But that's good to see that we make a possibility. It's good to see.
Đây, tầm bọc đầu sang.
This is from gas. This is after 3 days of.
Tên là 52 tuổi, ở khu 7 thì xã Hoàng Hoa, Tâm Dương. Trong cái quá trình nguyên nhân bị bỏng là bọng là xăng dầu. Khi xuống đi viện xuống đây
He got this burn from
vào
gas
đây thì
explosion.
chữa thì cũng thấy là sức khỏe cũng phát triển tốt dần dần. Nay mới hết ngày thứ 4 đến 12 giờ trưa và cũng đã thấy ngồi
After
dậy
4
rồi.
days of treatment,
He was level 2 or level 3.
3.
Đây là sau 7 ngày.
This one is after 7 days. His skin come out and then he has no pain. Anh phải được giải Nobel vì cái chuyện này. Yeah. Actually, like for other injuries, you can use also this thing to help with the pain effect. Reduce. He's showing like his product here and have some sample that you can